Let's say you just spent an hour building a perfect, detailed budget for your main business branch, and now you want to create an identical one for a secondary location or a slightly different what-if financial scenario. Typing those numbers all over again from scratch is a massive waste of time. QuickBooks Online has a brilliant built-in shortcut that lets you copy an entire budget matrix instantly. Today, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a budget layout in just 2 clicks so you can tweak your forecasts on the fly. Let's do it. To get to our dashboard workspace, let's head straight there using our top search bar shortcut. Glide your cursor all the way up to the top center of your screen, click inside the master search box, and type Budgets. When the system navigation options expand below, click right on the Budgets menu link. Once your grid loads, locate the master budget you want to clone. Move your cursor all the way to the far right side of that row under the Action column. Click the small drop-down arrow and select Duplicate. This instantly triggers a central pop-up window asking you to choose your target time frame. Inside this window, click into the period drop-down box to select the fiscal time frame you want this data copied to. You can duplicate it for the current year to build a parallel what-if scenario, or push it into the next fiscal year. Once your period is locked in, click the bright green Duplicate button. QuickBooks closes the modal and opens up your newly copied budget grid layout, completely filled with your original data rows. To keep your workspace organized, make sure to change the title in the name box so it doesn't conflict with your original file. Tweak any numbers inside the cells if needed, then glide down to the bottom right and click Save and Close. And just like that, you have a completely separate, fully populated budget file ready for tracking, bypassing all that manual typing. If this quick duplication shortcut saved your workflow today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.